Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the do not disturb mode on DREAME X50 Ultra. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then go to More Functions. Now find Do Not Disturb mode, click on it, and you can turn it on. You can set it to a certain schedule. By default, there is a schedule from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. You can enable it just like that, but you can also click on it to edit it. You can change the starting time and the ending time. If you want, you can add more schedules. So, for example, 2 times a day there will be a schedule active, right? Now for that you can change the settings. You can lower the voice volume, you can disable auto empty, and you can disable resuming cleaning, so if the cleaning gets paused it won't resume. For example, if the robot discharges during cleaning and it goes back to the charging station, it may take quite some time for it to charge, and when it finishes charging, when the do not disturb mode is already on, it won't resume that cleaning. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.